I'm Jerry Posnack, Managing Director of Jeeves, and this is how to get wrinkles out of a sports jacket. Everybody gets wrinkles in their sports jackets, whether it's from wear or putting it on the back of a chair when you got home from work or throwing it on your bed. It's important to know what you can do so that you look great the next day. Step one is you're going to need a steamer to get the wrinkles out. Step two would be to plug it in and get it preheated. You'll know when your steamer is ready to go because a little bit of steam will come out the top. Step three will be to take your sports jacket and put it on a hanger. I recommend not using a wire hanger. A nice wood hanger or a plastic hanger will keep the shape of the shoulder much better. Step four would be to take the steamer and hold it a few inches away from the fabric. Using your other hand, you're going to pull the fabric taut and gently steam up and down. Step five would be to put that jacket on. You're going to look great the next day. Knowing how to steam a jacket at home is a great thing to understand because you don't have to run to the dry cleaner. But do keep in mind that if your garment is stained, don't steam it. You need to clean it first.